First, it was chips and salsa, then a bakery. Now, Homeboy Industries is taking on electronics recycling.
This holiday season, they're gifting second chances. And as NBC4's Belinda Leon explains, they are also making a difference for the planet.
The holidays are here, and this warehouse in Commerce is bustling like Santa's workshop. But instead of toys, this is the headquarters for Homeboy Industries' latest venture, electronics recycling. Bill Dellaman is the Director of Marketing and Business Development.
We're really about people, we're about the planet, and we're about the purpose.
This marks the 14th social enterprise launched by Homeboy Industries, the world's largest gang rehabilitation and re-entry program.
Giving people opportunities to have a second chance with their life equally applies to technology. 62 million tons globally enters into the world on an annualized basis, but only 23% of that is recycled.
We have pounds and pounds, hundreds of pounds of plastic and circuitry that comes through here.
Frankie Valdez is the test and repair supervisor.
Anytime it's like a laptop, an older one, desktop, whatever it might be, iPhone, a tablet, the first thing we're going to do is see if it's going to be able to be reused.
Devices that can't be refurbished are stripped for parts and responsibly disposed of with certified vendors. For those that can,
everything has a process where everything's tracked, like individually tracked, so we know where it came from, who sorted it, who's testing it, and who's wiping it, and where it's going to next.
Tested, repaired, and certified for quality, these items are ready to be listed, and they come with warranty, ensuring customers have both peace of mind and a good deal.
We want to be able to provide people with affordable technology. Being able to provide technology that's affordable gives people opportunity to be connected to the world.
But the biggest impact, Bill says, is the social one.
The contribution to helping people with systemic barriers to employment.
It wasn't easy. I had a little difficult childhood.
People like Jose Echeverria. His tough childhood led him to juvenile hall by age 12, followed by prison life, gang life, and decades on the streets before finding Homeboy Industries.
I felt so at home. I felt the way I was received was probably the feeling that I had been looking for my whole life as a child.
Now, Jose is a work readiness trainer at the recycling center, balancing his job with volunteering at a treatment center and studying social work in his second year at East LA College.
And those are the things that I took away from Homeboys, and those are the things that I'm really proud of myself for doing, you know what I mean? Completely turning my life around, living the gang life and everything behind, and I just wanted to do better for myself, just giving myself an opportunity for once.
Jose gives back by helping others who are walking the same path he once did.
But by the time they leave here, they feel a little bit more confidence, and that's where my reward comes in.
A mission that's transforming technology and also lives.
It's really, it's a place of healing.
If you'd like to support Homeboy Industries, join their community events, drop off electronics at pop-up recycling events, or use their convenient mailing kits to recycle from anywhere. Back to you.